Walking lunge narration, 4 minutes. Think you're doing walking lunges correctly. Think again. That simple step forward could actually be putting extra stress on your knees instead of building stronger, more powerful legs. And here's the surprising part. Most people repeat the same mistakes every single workout without even realizing it. So, before you take your next step, stay with me, because one small adjustment can completely change how this exercise feels. If you look around most gyms, you'll notice the same mistakes happening over and over again. People take steps that are far too short. Their front knee shoots forward, their upper body leans over, and instead of controlling the movement, they almost fall into every repetition. If that sounds like you, don't worry. The good news is that these mistakes are easy to fix once you understand what's really happening. The secret to a perfect walking lunge actually starts before you even move your foot. Let's build the movement step by step. Stand tall with your feet about hip-width apart. Keep your chest up, relax your shoulders, and look straight ahead instead of down at the floor. Now here's the first key. Before taking a step, tighten your core. Imagine your core is the foundation of a skyscraper. If the foundation is weak, everything above it becomes unstable. Your body works exactly the same way. A strong core keeps your balance, protects your spine, and allows your legs to produce more power. Now take a comfortable step forward. Not too short. Not too long. Just enough so that when you lower your body, both knees bend to roughly 90 degrees. As you descend, keep your front heel firmly planted on the ground. Lower your back knee toward the floor under complete control without letting it crash down. Now pay close attention to your front knee. It should stay lined up with your toes throughout the movement. Imagine your knee is moving along invisible train tracks. It travels straight forward without collapsing inward or drifting outward. That one simple image helps create stronger, safer movement. Here's another mistake many people make. They rush through every repetition, but walking lunges aren't about speed. They're about control. Every step should feel balanced and deliberate. Now, let's talk about how to stand back up. Most people push off with the back leg because it feels easier, but that's not the best way. Instead, press firmly through the heel of your front foot. Feel your glutes and quadriceps working together to lift your body. Your back leg simply follows naturally. Think of your front leg as the engine that powers the movement, while your back leg is simply along for the ride. Once you feel this difference, every repetition becomes more effective. Ready for an advanced tip? Slow down the lowering phase. Take about 2 seconds to descend before driving back up. This increases muscle activation, improves balance, and builds greater control throughout the entire movement. Now imagine balancing a glass of water on top of your head. If your upper body leans too far forward or side to side, the glass spills. Keeping that imaginary glass balanced naturally encourages an upright posture and smoother movement. Small mental cues like this can completely transform your technique. Let's quickly review everything. Stand tall, brace your core, take a natural step forward. Keep your front heel planted. Lower until both knees reach about 90 degrees. Keep your front knee tracking in line with your toes. Drive through your front heel to stand back up. Repeat every step with control and balance. Now, here's your challenge. Perform 10 perfect walking lunges on each leg using these techniques. Forget about moving fast. Focus on making every repetition smooth, controlled, and technically perfect. You'll immediately notice better balance, stronger muscle activation, and a more confident movement pattern. Remember, great results don't come from doing more repetitions. They come from doing every repetition the right way. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and with every step, you'll build stronger legs, better balance, and a healthier body. I'll see you in the next workout.